A big day on Wall Street. The Dow jumped 340 points. That's 2.9% to close at 12,209. It was the first close over 12,000 since August 1st. Traders were encouraged by a deal to cut Greece's debt and stronger U.S. economic growth.
We've seen that the message that they are going to deal with this in a serious way has calmed markets all around the world. It will help lay the predicate for long-term economic growth not only in Europe but around the world.
This is a big deal for investors who've been watching their portfolios perform very poorly so far this year. Now we have the main benchmark of the market's performance, the S&P 500, turning positive for the year, and right now October is on track to be one of the best months for the market in decades.
European leaders agreed to cut Greece's debt in half. There has been widespread agreement that Greece could never pay its total debt. Europe will also create a bailout fund worth $1.4 trillion.
As the old saying goes, the devil is in the details. Certainly having the countries agree on something is a very nice first step, but you have to then get them to agree on the particulars, to agree on the details, and also to have those details be followed through and to have them be successful.
Standard & Poor's analyst Sam Stovall says the European debt deal should ease some of the volatility in world trading markets after 2 years of uncertainty. A report showing growth in the U.S. in the third quarter at 2.5%, twice the previous quarter, also fed the market surge.
Barring the unforeseen, we could see this rally continue. The news coming out of Europe and the United States on both of those large economies is more positive than feared just a few months ago. Keep in mind, though, the Dow is still several hundred points below where it was earlier this year.
The S&P is close to having its best month since 1974. Matt Friedman, The Associated Press.